Hey there, sales folks. Daniel Abraham here from Mogul Lead Generation, back with another video about how sales reps can create the perfect LinkedIn messages to book more sales leads. So something that hasn't been focused on as much as it probably should be is messaging. Everybody likes to focus on, the channel, the cadence, the email marketing tools they use, the website tools, essentially everything but the actual message that they're sending. Building the message can be as simple as using a template to as complex as being able to understand a prospect's need or area of interest based on their title, profile, location, and company type. And then write a message that speaks about the specific value of your offer to that individual prospect. Now, where writing a sales message gets really good and where you really start to see the increase in positive responses or meetings booked comes when you can understand the different levels of value that your product has to offer, and then be able to combine that and correlate it to the current state of the market, what prospects are currently experiencing, who is experiencing more pain and challenges, and then aligning those pains and challenges that are being faced today with a part of your product that can provide a valuable solution, really to be able to transform a negative into a positive, provide a positive return on investment, and really to gain more than a company has to spend. To give you an example, we're going to go over connection notes, so writing, connection requests, messages, follow-up messages, comments, posts, and other. We're going to dive on over into LinkedIn. I'm going to jump into Sales Navigator. And I want to quickly, show you an example of a message that I'm really going to, just choose somebody at random. We're going to take John here, right? So the key to building a solid message is really by understanding John. So John is a serial entrepreneur. John is a founder. He's a founder of the Happy Neighbor Project, which is an internet company. So, founder, small company, internet company. In his past, he's owned other companies. A lot of small, different internet types of companies. He worked, University of Hartford. So let's see what John is really focused on. John's frustrated with technology, gotten a lot of bad advice. BBS system builds communities. Can't build a reputation on what you're going to do. Passion for technology, helping others. Okay, he wants to use technology to maximize the experience others are provided with, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to reach out to John. Okay, so if you notice, I'm writing this message around technology. you want more customers right now? Let's hope he does. If he doesn't want customers, nothing we can do. Then I'm talking about my company in a way that speaks to his specific interests. We provide high quality sales workshops that combine the latest technology, automation, and expertise to help companies like yours sell more efficiently. Exactly what he does for others, offering that to him. So, let's see if he is willing to buy what he sells. And we're going to end with a call to action. Notice that I mentioned to help companies like yours. I inserted some social proof. Call to action. Are you free to chat and then provide a specific day? I'm going to go down. Make sure that the messaging includes your name and a link to the company. Perfect. Sorry for the speed of that message. As you can tell, I do everything on the spot. It's really about assessing the prospect and creating a message. If I was going to send this guy connection requests, something a lot simpler. I want to connect with you because it seems like we also offer ways to use technology to book more sales leads. Follow-ups. I want your follow-ups to include just following up on the previous message, and then let prospects go up and see the previous message, get the point, go back down, realize that you've reached out twice, and then increase the chances of them responding through the follow-up message. So those are the three main ways. I want to just quickly write this down for you guys again. So ask a question that's relevant to a prospect. Insert value prop. So the value prop that speaks to them. Social proof. Touch on social proof. Call to action. Ask a prospect to take a step and meet you in the middle, with a sales call. So those are some ways to, build better sales messages. If you're responding to a message, respond directly to what they're asking or saying. When someone asks a question, take note. That's where their interest lies. When somebody responds or reacts to something, you've triggered either a negative or positive emotion. Keep an eye on these things. Add a comment below. Happy to, look over your messaging, give you some thoughts. Don't use templates. Be personal. Trust the Midas touch, aka the mogul touch, and happy selling.